What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are taking a look at the Sabrent Chili Pop Mini Pocket Fan with Hanger. Big shout out to the company Sabrent for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details of this. Now it comes in gray or rose color. You can use this handheld or it's hangable. It's compact and lightweight, quiet performance for work, travel, or sleep. Has a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It's going to last you up to 8 hours. Features USB charging, 5 volt, 1 amp, and it's going to charge in about 2 hours. Has an LED charge indicator battery status for at a glance, for checking your battery at a glance. 3-speed fan as well, and that is pretty much it on here. I have taken the plastic off of this one. I wanted to leave it on to let you guys see that it does come with a plastic wrapper. Here is pretty much the same thing I read off earlier, and then the same thing on the back right here. So you get this in gray and rose. So let's go ahead, since I got the wrap off of the gray one, take a look at it and see what's all in the box. So in the box, you get your instructions manual here. Gonna let you know everything you need to know about the fan. Several pages here in case you need that help. You get your USB charging, USB-A to USB-C, and then you're gonna get your fan. Very lightweight. It feels very well made, man. Very nice, man. Nice little heft to it. There's your carabiner clip right there. I'm not sure, is this? No, that's not a button there. But here's the fan right here. There's the cage that the fan is in. You do have a little bit of branding right here. Now the carabiner is made out of some type of metal as well. Got a little regulation stuff on the back. There's your Type-C for charging. And this is how you turn the fan on right here. On and off button. So let's go ahead and get the rose color out. Take a look at this. And then we'll check out the performance on the fans. See how they work. So this is the exact same thing. It's just a different color. So what they did here is they give you a pink instructions manual to match the device here right there, and they also did the box. So that's a nice touch, man. I like that. So here's the pink one. Very nice looking, man. This is really nice. The same, looks the same as the other one. Charging port. Nice weight in the hand. And I'm going to go ahead and see if these are charged up. So press and hold the power button and it comes on. You guys can see the LED indicator right there. And it is blowing out quite a bit of air, man. I'm sitting behind the camera here. That's the low setting. That is the middle setting, speed. And this is the high speed. It is putting, this definitely, man, puts out, this great little personal fan right here. That's putting out quite a bit of air as well. Let me put it by the microphone so you guys can hear it. That's off. That's going to be your low. That's your medium. And that is your high. So not very loud at all. Putting out some great air as well. Let's go ahead and get the gray one going as well. I see both of them are going there. Both full speed. Yeah, I see it's blowing the box over there, so pretty good. Yeah, so these are very nice, man. I definitely would recommend picking these up. These are the Sabrent Chili Pop Pocket Mini Fan with carabiner. I'll leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to pick these up. Will H, I'm out.